What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. VP Tactical here, and today we are working on the M9A4. So let's say you bought one of these and you're like, you know what? I want to go ahead and put an optic on there. What do I need to do? Well, this is for you guys. So I went ahead and picked up a mounting plate for the M9A4 directly from Beretta. These things normally run somewhere around 50 bucks, give or take. I caught this on sale. I think I paid like $25 or something like that, or 30 shipped, somewhere in that neighborhood. And so basically what we're going to do is go ahead and make sure the weapon is clear. It's a little dirty right now at the moment, but we're going to go ahead and take off these two pieces here, these plates. And so we're going to start by doing that. All right, so then this little piece comes out. This little piece comes out. And so what it's always recommended to do, see too, actually there is some lubricant underneath here. And that's to prevent any water from getting in there and or rusting. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna get a little bit of lube under there. I'm gonna put some around here. And then what I'm going to do is just gently wipe so that way it's not globbed. Always got a good coverage. Basically, you want to cover up or oil or lubricate the surfaces where the metal surfaces are going to engage. And so obviously you can see there's a little tang here, and that's for this component, which is part of the quote-unquote safety. And you pretty much just want to line that bad boy up, and then you're going to go ahead and insert your new screws. And so a quick tip about this, I actually talked to one of the reps from Beretta. He had mentioned that he was getting readings because you want 15 inch-pounds. You want to make sure the screws are fully seated before you actually use your torque wrench in terms of the reading, because he said that he was getting 15 inch-pounds just from the insertion of the screws themselves, just because there's a bit of tension on them. And so we're going to go ahead and, like I said, get these started and seated. And there is actually thread locker already on there, which it looks like just like the factory ones that came off. And I'll show you here in just a second. But basically, again, we want to get this fully seated before we tighten it down. And so looking at the new screw that's going in there, you can see there's a bit of thread locker on there. The old screws that came off there also had some thread locker too. So same stuff. Otherwise, I'd probably put blue thread locker on there, but I don't have any qualms with the factory thread locker. And we'll go ahead and get the second screw seated. And then once this is done, we feel some tension. We're going to go ahead and switch to our Wheeler fat wrench set at, again, 15 inch-pounds. Okay, there's number one, and there is number two. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install your red dot mounting plate to your M9A4. So, as you can probably imagine, I didn't pick this up for no reason, just to show you folks the mounting plate. I do have an optic for this, so stay tuned, and we're going to have some fun with it. Be safe, stay vigilant, drop a comment below, let me know what you think.